Hi, welcome to episode 7. And today we'll go over marketing. Digital marketing doesn't have to be rocket science. So, what I mean by that, just you hear a lot about what if I said to you, oh, yeah, we know SEO, SEM, PPC, we'll send out email blasts, marketing automation. Just started throwing out all these abbreviations and acronyms. It does it make me more sophisticated or intelligent? Well, as a business owner, what I recommend is really getting, eventually, sure, you want to understand what these acronyms mean, and how that impacts your business. But initially, talking to an agency or talking to someone, an expert in this field, you really want to know what they're going to deliver, right? What the end results are, and then go backwards from there, or I guess go forwards from there. You don't want to just let that, all these acronyms and lingo, if it confuses you or overwhelms you, stop them and say, hey, I don't get it. What do you mean by this? Don't be afraid, because just assuming and just thinking like, oh yeah, they must know what they're doing if they throw in all these acronyms, isn't going to help you in your business. So remember, just go back to really asking the right questions and seeing what their value is, what they're delivering to you before you make that call. So hope that helps. Talk to you later.